Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 14 September 2024. We'll dive into the latest happenings surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. The content here reflects news items in public media and not our personal opinions. Elon Musk's Twitter activity. In a whirlwind of tweets, Elon Musk has once again demonstrated his prolific use of the platform X, formerly known as Twitter. Over a 24-hour period, Musk tweeted more than 145 times, engaging with far-right political figures and conspiracy theories. His day kicked off with a response to right-wing activist Charlie Kirk, where he clarified his stance on climate change and expressed support for Donald Trump. Throughout the day, Musk shared anti-immigrant content, election conspiracies, and criticisms of the media, often interacting with conservative influencers. He dismissed critical media coverage of his Trump interview as lies, referring to journalists as non-player characters and promoting misleading claims about election fraud. Musk's political echo chamber. Musk's interactions on X predominantly featured right-wing figures, with minimal engagement from left-leaning activists or critical journalists. This reflects a personal echo chamber on the platform. He also expressed gratitude towards former UK Prime Minister Liz Truss and engaged with other far-right politicians, amplifying their messages to his vast audience. His tweets included attacks on legacy media outlets, which he accused of spreading misinformation, and he framed his online persona as a champion of free speech against perceived censorship from governments and regulators. Brazilian legal disputes. In Brazil, tensions between Musk and authorities have escalated. Brazilian Supreme Court Justice Alexandra de Moraes seized approximately $3.3 million from the accounts of Musk's companies, X and Starlink, to cover fines owed by X. This decision followed X's refusal to comply with a Supreme Court order to remove illegal content. Legal experts have mixed opinions on the ruling, with some supporting it as legitimate enforcement of fines, while others argue that Starlink should not be liable for X's actions. The accounts were unblocked after the fines were paid, but the incident highlights the complexities of social media governance and the responsibilities of tech companies in foreign jurisdictions. Musk's political involvement in the US. Elon Musk has intensified his involvement in US politics, notably by funding a campaign to unseat Liberal District Attorney Jose Garza in Texas. Despite Musk's financial backing of over $650,000 to a group called Saving Austin, Garza successfully retained his position. The campaign's messaging mirrored the right-wing rhetoric Musk often promotes on X. Musk's political activities have included creating a super PAC to support Donald Trump's re-election, although he later retracted claims of spending $45 million monthly. His recent actions have raised concerns about the influence of wealthy individuals on the political landscape. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Elon Musk's world intriguing. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay informed and curious.